and here I need to mention print setup complete. Okay, so here you can see here from .env I'm going to import load.env. Okay, so import .env to load the value from .env file, and import os means import os to access the environment variable. Okay, load underscore .env, it load all variable from .env file, okay, into the system. And we have this one, so get the Groq API key from the environment variable with the help of this. Okay, and here check if API keys exist or not. Okay, if not, it will stop the program and show the error. Okay, otherwise it print everything is correct and print the success message. This is the setup complete. Okay, I'm going to run this, so it is saying like setup complete. Okay, so here this will, I mean, this is used for upload the API key from .env file. Okay,